Okay, Sounds of Decay 1 is Crisis Sigil, God Come Poltergeist. Our fascination with female-fronted grindcore and metalcore continues. Crisis Sigil is Ada Rook, Toronto-based vocalist, musician, video game designer. She plays all the instruments on God Come Poltergeist, except for drums, which are handled by one Melody Marrow. This is her first full length under the Crisis Sigil moniker. She participates in multiple projects over the last few years, like Black Dresses, Backwash, Anarchy 99, and other screamy punk-spirited entities. She produces, she sings, she writes, you name it.
Song titles come off as a mishmash of random generated words and phrases like Blood Semen Box Elder and Right of First Refusal on all new units.
That's a weird one.
Most songs are layers of brutal drum pounding, electronic squiggles, and Rook's maniacal vocals roaring and shrieking at hyperactive speeds. Some ambient interludes and intros do a wonderful job at breaking up the brutality. 14 songs flash by in 27 minutes, so we're not talking prog rock by any stretch.
No, we're not. The combination of rage and vulnerability are what make this album such an interesting listen. Once in a while, she backs into some kind of traditional metalcore cadence like the thrashy segment of R.E. Weapon. The opener, Wet Dream, alternates speeding attack with Korn-like vocal groups. Her fondness for twee-like melodies come through in songs like Nine Moon Damage, with pounding grindcore fits giving way to childlike lullaby at the midpoint, which she weaves back into the mix over the thrashy bit later for marvelous effect.
Overall, Crisis Sigil proves to be as packed with genuine emotion as it is with blast beats and electronic bits. Intense and engaging with interesting production, I have a feeling Miss Rook will prove to be a force to be reckoned with over the next few years.
I love that artwork too.
What a wild cover.
Okay, so let's play a song. This is the title track, God Come Poltergeist.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.